Next question. Excuse me. So the next question says that states mainly raise revenue by 1. Collecting taxes from citizens, 2. Collecting taxes from other states, 3. Sharing in taxes collected by other states, or 4. Sharing in taxes collected by the U.S. government. So the answer to this is going to be 1. Collecting taxes from citizens. Tax revenue is bulk of any government's revenue, whether it be state, local, or federal. And for state taxes, those taxes are going to come from citizens. So not much else to explain here. We can take a look at the previous tutor's answer. They also said 1. Collecting taxes from citizens. And they said that the primary source of revenue of any state is the collection of various taxes it receives from its citizens and economic entities. It also collects nominal fees for different public services it provides to the market, which becomes a secondary source of revenue for the states. Tax is levied on various economic activities in multiple tiers. Taxes are of 2 types, namely direct and indirect. The way in which tax rates are determined and implemented defines whether the tax is regressive or progressive in nature. Tax revenue is used by governments to carry out its fiscal expenditures and welfare spending. So yeah, these are all good. A lot of background information as well, so good. And we can mark that as correct.